What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1968 Coronet. This one here is a 318 with a blower sitting on top. Should be a pretty good test drive. We're going to take it down the road, see how it runs and drives. Any flaws that it has, I will be pointing out. We do this with every car on the car lot. Visit maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. We update our website every Monday with new inventory, so be sure to go and check that out and hit that subscribe button. Every day I post videos just like this one. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. I like to look around the interior before I take off here. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? I noticed somebody added a bunch of gauges here. We also got gauges below the dash. I'll just turn the key on this one. Starts up nice and easy. These gauges here aren't hooked up. Somebody must have just added them and didn't hook them up. The ones below the dash seem like they're working. May need to be adjusted and hooked up correctly. Let's look for our wipers. We do got some wipers here. Radio. Are we jamming or not? Oh, we're jamming. Blower motor. It's definitely pulling down on the alternator. I believe it is working. You can see every time I flip the switch there. Let's go ahead and try the horn. Y'all ready? No horn on this bad boy. Let's see how she rides. Okay, anything I see, I will point out and let you know. That's why I do these videos. And luckily, we've got 2 blower cars this week. All right, guys, we're gonna take off here. I've let it warm up for a little bit. I noticed the gauges are not hooked up. They need to be. The water temperature needs to be, the oil pressure definitely. I mean, the motor sounds nice and strong. Let's see how it drives. Any other issues, I will point out. All right, guys, here we go. Cruising down the road, I noticed the speedometer is working. We seem to be going pretty straight down the road. I feel a slight drift to the right, real softly. Other than that, the steering seems nice and tight. Go ahead and hit the brakes since nobody's behind us. Check that out. See if our passing gear's hooked up. I believe it is. Shift it down a little bit, just manually. Car feels pretty good going down the road. We're gonna go ahead and pull through here. They've got the road all messed up. The brakes are feeling good. The steering's nice and tight. Turn signals, I hear them clicking. This side is coming up, our right one is out. We have a bulb out behind the dash. Gas gauge is floating around a 1/4 tank, should be working. Car sounds awesome. We're gonna pull in this parking lot here, go ahead and get some outside shots. Also do a walk around, pointing out any kind of chips, scratches on the paint job. This is a candy paint. It's beautiful in the sun. I'll try to get a direct sun shot for this walk around video. If you want to see how I make the videos, look below in the description. I have Amazon links to all of my gear, so you can pick it up right there. Let's get these shots. Okay, get your seatbelts on. We're gonna head on back to the car lot now. Hopefully y'all have enjoyed this test drive so far. Motor seems to be running nice and smooth. Been circling around the parking lot for, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. And got all our outside shots. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that. I got another blower car that I'm heading back to the lot right now to test drive. And we'll see how it runs and drives. Pretty awesome motor sticking out of the hood. And it runs and drives good. It's nice and smooth going down the road. And it looks like the factory temp gauge is working. It just came up. It's not even halfway. We're gonna go ahead and turn on this road right here. It's got the speed bump in it, kind of gives you an idea on suspension. You can listen for rattles and squeaks, and it's basically the best I can do with suspension through a video. I'll show you where we're at here. Boom. Nice and smooth. You do got to manually turn off your turn signals on this car. It doesn't cut off for you automatically. Right around the corner from the car lot. I've had my wife with me all day. She likes coming out here riding around. There's the lot right there. We're cruising on down to Brian's Motorsports. I want you to check them out. If you need wheels, tires, custom interiors, anything you need customized, go to these guys. They're right down the road from the car lot. I've had a lot of customers buy cars from us and get brand new wheels from this guy. Tons of people do it before they ship them back to their state that they came from. There's a big bump here. I'm gonna try to be careful. Came through here earlier with a Mustang that was lowered and it scraped a little bit. We're good. Here, let me show you. You can go to briansmotorsports.com. You can check them out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. They've got their little village down here with a barber shop. nutrition drinks. You didn't even know about that, did you? Brian's Motorsports, guys. Definitely worth checking out. All right, I'm gonna go straight through this parking lot before somebody pulls off the shoulder like they were doing earlier. Yeah, literally walking distance for Maple Motors. Maple Motors is right up here. All right, guys, we've made it back. We're gonna grab another car. We have a Camaro I want to pull up. I'll let y'all check out. Y'all have a good one. All right, guys, I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. If you haven't already, check out maplemotors.com. We got close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. I have shipping, I have financing, and it's all available. We update the website every Monday, so be sure to check that out if you want to see classic cars all the time. You can also hit that subscribe button to see classic car videos daily right here on YouTube. I do appreciate y'all sharing my videos. It's helped us out greatly. Maybe we can get to that 300,000 faster than we got to the 2. I want to thank y'all. Have a good one, guys. We're going to grab another car and take another test drive.